Morning. We're just turning up for this job here. We'll be leaf clearing that lot up. Most of them are off now. We've quite a lot over there to do, and the last few weeks we've been clearing them, and they're more or less gone now. So, and on there and there as well. They're getting there, but there's still a few up there to do. Them ones are pain, very smaller leaves and that, and they yeah, just a nuisance. They don't blow so easy as the big ones, but anyway, we'll get them sorted. So yeah, this is a review of my MTD Yardman. You can read all the info there. It's the first time I've used it. I've had it a while. Like many of my tools, I've got it cheap. I haven't really done anything to it. It has got a cover to go on the top, which fell off, and a recall needs sorting out because it doesn't spring back fully. But it's sort of its first test today, and I think it's sort of worked right. Leaves have come back down on that first bit. I'll show you again. So that's a bit irritating, but what can you do? They're still going to come off that tree. But yeah, all the controls are down on the near the engine. That's your throttle and that's your choke. It's just normal, obviously normal unleaded fuel, and it's got the good old Briggs & Stratton Quantum engine, which is one of their best ones in my opinion. To collect it, to collect the bag, just do that. It slides over and then you pull that out. It's hard with one hand, but you can get the gist of it. Pull that out, that pushes down and that slides over there. And that's just to keep this safety button down, because it stops as soon as you take the bag off. Just so I suppose you can't put hands in that in there. It's got, to be honest, a pathetic little chipper side bit to it. You saw me, well, you must have seen me pushing the bits in, but yeah, it's just a sort of an added bit they put on it. It does cheap little things, but who would use that? I hope much. I don't really know, but I suppose it's a feature they can add to it. It gets a bit windy now, so I hope you can hear me okay. I've never serviced it or anything. I will, and then I'll probably just put it in the back of my unit, just so I can come out this time of the year just to do the leaves, because on flatter areas it's easier than the blower, because you haven't got to pick them up after you and just empty the bag. So and it bags pretty well. So yeah, the bag just hooks on there and there. It's got a bit, the bag's full at the moment, but it's just got a bit there that hooks over the handlebar there. But yeah, not a bad little machine. It's more of a domestic type machine, but yeah, it does the job. So yeah, for what it cost me, if I have it around when I need it, it's a handy little tool. So yeah, about all I can say about it really. So there it is. It does say it's a 4-in-1 chipper, shredder, vacuum and blower. I don't really quite know how the blower works. I suppose you can just, like the bag, no you can't do that because the button, I don't know. But anyway, I'd only want it for the back side of things. So yeah, after the first use of it, I'm quite impressed. It does the job. And yeah, as well, I've got just front height adjustment. I had to put up a couple here because even though the grass looks fairly level, it's a bit uneven. But yeah, it did the job all right. So yeah, I'll leave it there. Just a quick review of this one. And yeah, I'll be along with another video again soon. So thanks for watching.